போற்றியோம் நம சிவாய. எல்லாமுடையான் குருவாகி இங்கு எமதேர் நல்லறுத்தான் என்றும் தீபர அவன் தாழ் தொழுவாம் என்றும் தீபர. போற்றுதலுக்கும் நாளும் நம்மை நன்னெறிப்படுத்தலுக்கும் உரிய அருள்மிகு அம்பலவான பெருமான் ஆலம செல்வர் அம்மையப்பருடைய இன்னருளாலும் உயிர்க்கு துணையாக திகழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் சமயக்குறவர்கள், திருமுறை ஆசிரியர்கள், நாயன்மார்கள், சந்தானக்குறவர்கள், ஆதீனக்குறவர்கள், திருவள்ளுவர், தொல்காப்பியராதிய சான்றோர் பெருமக்களுடைய நல்லருளாலும் திருக்கைலாய பரம்பரை மெய்கின்ற சந்தானம், பேரூர் ஆதீனம், ஆதி குருமுதல்வர் சாந்தலிங்க பெருமானுடைய தன்னருளாலும் குருவருளாலும் எல்லோரும் எல்லா நலங்களும் பெற்று வாழ வாழ்த்தி மகிழ்கின்றோம். Potriyom Namah Shivaya. The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind and soul and purifies them. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind and soul and purifies them. Salutations to Guru and parents. We are getting the blessings from our all Gurus. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. We are also blessed by our parents. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Now we are chanting Om, giving long time to O, short time to Im. Om. Equal timings. Short O. Omitting the O. Omitting the sound also. Chanting Omkar without sound. That is absolute silence. We could feel the absolute silence while we are breathing out and concentrating on our whole body. Now we are cleaning our spinal cord. First, we close our left nose. Inhale from the bottom of the spinal cord to the top of the head. Closing the right nose. Exhale, coming down to the bottom of the spinal cord. Breathing in. Going from the bottom of the spinal cord to the top of the head. Closing the left nose, exhaling, breathing out and coming down to the bottom of the spinal cord. From the bottom of the spinal cord, inhaling and going to the top of the a small Sivalingam, very smaller than the Sivalingam in the Chidambaram Gurudev Samadhi. Inhale and exhale. Now we are going to concentrate on 9 planets. First of all, we are going to concentrate on Sun. Sun is a huge fireball. The volume is 2 million times bigger than our Earth. Always the radiation rays coming from the Sun are in orange in color. In the radiation from the Sun is closely related to our bone in our body. Father in our family. The rays coming from the Sun gives us good leadership, success in our life. We are inhaling and exhaling by concentrating the Sun. Next, we are going to concentrate on Mercury. Mercury is revolving the Sun at the distance of 30 million miles. Its rays are greenish in color. Its radiation is closely related to our skin. And it is also closely related with our uncle in our family. The radiations coming from Mercury gives us knowledge, intelligence, learning skill. We can think of Mercury as a huge ball, breathing in and out and concentrate on the ball like Mercury. Then we are going to concentrate on Venus. It is revolving the Sun at the distance of 60 million miles. The radiations coming from the Venus is silver in color. The diamond-like radiations coming from the Venus is closely related to our biovital fluid within our body. Its rays are closely related to life partner in our family. The radiations are giving us good friendship, harmony, brotherhood, happy family life. We can concentrate on Venus by inhale and exhale. Our living planet Earth is revolving the sun at the distance of nearly 90 million miles. From our living planet Earth, the moon, the satellite of the Earth, is revolving the Earth at the distance of 230,000 miles away from our Earth. Its radiation is in milky in color. The radiations coming from the moon is closely related to our mind, blood circulation, and digestive system. The radiations of moon gives us all the prosperities in our life, and it is also closely related to our mother in our family. Now we are concentrating on the moon, visualizing a milky ball in the sky. Breathe in and breathe out with absolute silence. Then we are going to concentrate on Mars. It is 140 million miles away from the sun. Its radiations are closely related to our marrow inside the bone. The radiations coming from the Mars is giving us courage, success, confidence, willpower. We are concentrating on Mars by breathing in and out with absolute silence and getting the energy from the Mars. Now we are going to concentrate on Jupiter. It is golden in color. It revolves the sun at the distance of 480 million miles away and takes to revolve the sun in 12 years. The radiations coming from the Jupiter is closely related to our brain and brain cells. The rays coming from the Jupiter gives us wisdom, ecstasy, happiness, knowledge. Now we are concentrating on Jupiter by breathing in and out with absolute silence. Now we are going to concentrate on the planet Saturn, which is smoky in color, goes round the sun with the span of 30 years for one round. The distance from the sun is 880 million miles from the sun. The radiations coming from the Saturn is connected to our nervous system. The radiations of Saturn gives us long life, good health, confidence. We are thinking of the Saturn, inhale and exhale with absolute silence. We can also think of the distant planets, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, and the radiations coming from these planets also having impact in our physical and psychical body. We can think of these planets, and also we are getting good radiations, all prosperities in our life. The shadow planets are called Rahu and Ketu. They are blacky in color. It is closely related to Ojas and Tejas in our body. We can think of the shadow planets. We are getting the radiations from them and gives us all the prosperities in our life. All these 9 planets, not only revolving the sun, but also the Milky Way. In the Milky Way, there are thousands of stars. All of them are being classified and divided into 12 houses. These 9 planets, while revolving, they may be in different houses. Wherever they are, we pray to the Almighty, all the planets, all the houses of stars should give us all prosperities in our life. Further and further, we are expanding and expanding to the limit of universe consists of thousands and thousands and millions of Milky Ways, all the stars, all the planets, all the satellites, they are radiating some physical and seismic power. Let all the power gives us mental and physical strength to us. Further and further, we are expand and expand to the absolute state, the state of calmness, omnipotent, omniscience, and omnipresence. That is what we called Almighty, Shivam, Purnam. No sound, no light, only ecstasy is there. In this calm stage of our mind, we could realize all these planets are having impact in our body and mind, not only in our body and our mind, but also in the body and mind of all the human beings and all the living beings. They are also having close contact with this universe. Now onwards, we respect all the human beings, all the living beings, as respecting ourselves. We will also extend our love and service to all the living beings and the human beings to the maximum possible. In this calm stage of our mind, we can think of the Almighty. Let the Almighty give us good health, long life, enough wealth, happiness, wisdom, and peace. The divine bliss gives us good health, long life, enough wealth, happiness, wisdom, peace, ecstasy, and all prosperities. By the grace of Almighty, we all may enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, happiness, wisdom, ecstasy, and peace, and all the prosperities. We can think of our family members. All of them are being blessed by the Almighty with all the prosperities. We can think of our friends and relatives. They are also being blessed by the Almighty with all the prosperities. We can think of all the persons, those who are related in our day-to-day life, by word, thought, and deed, the superiors, co-workers, and subordinates, all of them are being blessed by the Almighty. We can also pray for the welfare of our enemies, foes. They are also being blessed by the Almighty with all the prosperities in their life. We can think of the persons, those who are celebrating the birthday and the anniversary. They are also being blessed by the Almighty. We can also think of the persons, those who are suffering from physical and mental illness. All of them are blessed by the Almighty with good health and long life. We can also pray for our community members, and we can think of all the persons. They are all being blessed with the Almighty with all the prosperities. We can think of the whole world. The whole world may enjoy happiness, wisdom, and peace. Always peace reveal in this universe, in this world, and within our mind. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. தென்னாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி, எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி. திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். Now we can slightly rub our palm and apply on our eyes, and also raise our hand above the head and spread it all over the world. Open our eyes and we can see the right palm and get the blessings from the Almighty. Potriyom Namah Shivaya.